In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Reels views not showing on Instagram. So if you're not being able to see the views of the Reels on Instagram, for that what you have to do is launch open Instagram. So in order to fix this problem, first of all, what you can do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now over here under the section for what you see, you'll be able to find this option for like and share counts. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply toggle this button off. Now after you do that, your problem might be solved, because sometimes when you enable this option, there might be some glitch and the views might also be hidden. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Instagram app. There might be some bugs in the application that will be fixed after the update. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option Instagram. Now after you do that, tap on the option update and the application will be updated. Now your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, try clearing the cache. So launch open app library on your device. Find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you can see two options. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. So for that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you should be able to see the views on Reels. So that is how you fix Reels views not showing on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.